Hi everyone, my name is Emily Schubert, Product Training Specialist here at Bobcat. I cover specialty products, including the small articulated loader you see behind me. Today we're going to go over some tips and tricks for operation. So let's get started. Removing the door and windows of a small articulated loader is a simple and easy process. You might want to do this because it does not have air conditioning since it's under 25 horsepower. While opening the side and rear windows creates a cross-flow ventilation, that might not be enough on a hot day, and you may want to remove the door, side, and rear windows altogether. The door can easily be removed by taking the pin out of the gas shock. Hold on to it, as it is really easy to lose. Pull the gas shock down and off. Then simply slide the door up as it lifts free. The side and rear windows are just as simple. Remove the pins that connect the window latches. Then slide the windows up and off their pins, placing them in a safe and secure place so they don't break. Reinstallation is simple and easy, just the exact opposite of the removal process.